Eagle Z is back. Huge machines, unforgiving roads, and drivers gambling with their fate. Ready? The adventure begins. Two man trucks are pulling the 155-ton Tegmic 1675 through brutal weather. Fog, snow, slick roads. At one point, they even had to lay down dozens of tires to help the Tegmic get through. The transport team is truly admirable.
Bring the tire this way, bring the tire this way.
Testimonia!
From the Gatton Yard in Queensland, two oversized heavy-haul convoys are rolling out. Leading the way is a Kenworth K200, pulling an AB triple configuration loaded with giant tires. Following close behind is a powerful Kenworth T409 in a B triple setup. This is a clear display of the sheer strength and scale of Australia's heavy transport industry. A Duramax, typically seen as a light-duty truck, is pulling an entire semi-truck out of deep snow. This moment showcases not only the surprising strength of the Duramax diesel engine, but also the incredible spirit of support between drivers in harsh winter conditions. Wow, this is my first time seeing a Blue Cat 345C. In a world full of yellow, This blue excavator stands out like a superhero from a comic book. It's both powerful and precise. No wonder my kids are glued to the screen watching it for hours. Would you dare sit in the cab while a 40-ton machine crosses this bridge? The operator chose to back off, not out of fear, but because he understood the technical limits and real risks involved. This 341-ton, 40-meter-long turbine is being transported overnight to avoid traffic congestion. Navigating through urban areas requires meticulous planning. Turning radii, road load capacity, and obstacle clearance must all be accounted for. Every meter of movement is a calculated equation, executed with absolute precision.
What you are witnessing is the Panther Series 2 low loader that is being towed by a CAT 745 articulated truck, and its payload is the CAT 6015B excavator. That's right, your eyes aren't deceiving you, as the Panther Series 2 currently has 140,000 kilos.
The Panther Series 2 is a specialized low-bed trailer designed for transporting oversized and super heavy cargo. It doesn't need to brag, its performance speaks for itself. What do you find most impressive? Its load capacity, deck height, or stability?
Ease of operation, improved operational efficiencies and cycle time. Designed and constructed to withstand the toughest mining condition, seamless transition from ramp to platform, eliminating pivot points during unloading, full width ground contact for enhanced stability during loading and unloading, optimised trailer length and high ground clearance for superior mobility around sites, short load and unload times as for a Bassett. And allow me to mention that KST and Sun can work with clients to accommodate their specific requirements. Their low loaders range from 8,900 and 90,000 kilos and can be customised to a particular selection of earth moving and mining equipment, as well as specific missions on the mine site. What a sight, ladies and gentlemen. Get your cameras out, get photos. Category CB 140 tonne excavator, Panther Series 2, KST and Sun Float Cat 745 articulated.
This is just adorable on the job site. An excavator literally bathing its buddy. After diving through dirt all day, the Komatsu is getting rinsed off by its hydromech pal. Like it's at a spa in the middle of a stream. That looks so relaxing. Moving an entire house is no easy feat, but in a few minutes of time-lapse, everything glides by effortlessly, as if the house is just relocating itself. That's truly fascinating. If you liked our video, leave a 26 in the comments. Your support inspires us to create more.
다음은 고속을 보시겠습니다. 고속.
After watching this video, one question keeps circling in my mind. If that little car hadn't moved, how would the transport convoy have handled that tight corner? Could they have made it through anyway? Or would everything have come to a halt? I'm seriously curious. "342 tons, a colossal steel heart slowly rolling across the ground. This isn't just hauling cargo, it's transporting a vital link in the national power grid. Every meter of the road is a battle of wits between engineering, gravity, and absolute precision. Oh my God, that track belt looks so unusual. What's it for exactly? The Terex 33-19 Titan held the title of the world's largest mining truck for 25 years. Before the Caterpillar 797 was introduced in 1998, it was initially built for a mining company in California, but the project was canceled due to budget overruns. This left the truck as a one-of-a-kind version ever produced. When you're moving equipment weighing over 300 tons, precise weight distribution is absolutely critical. For most of the journey, they use a 20-axle trailer, but when the route includes weaker roads, they upgrade to 26 axles. This smart move spreads the load more evenly, allowing the convoy to cross standard infrastructure safely and efficiently. 3-man cat configurations, 4x4, 6x6, and 8x8, combining nearly 900 horsepower, teamed up to tow a 30-ton fuel tanker across the Sahara Desert. Sinking sand and blistering heat pushed everything to the limit. In the end, they moved 30 tons, but burned through 32 tons of fuel. I honestly don't know whether to laugh or cry. Can you guess what this is? Well, it's an industrial washing drum being moved to the Dobrovich sugar factory. The washing drum is a crucial piece of equipment for cleaning raw materials at the initial stage. Weighing 172 tons and measuring 30 meters long, it was divided into 3 separate sections to facilitate its transport to the factory. The Skid Pro snowblower, mounted on a Kubota SLV 75-2 skid steer loader, creates a flexible and agile combination that's perfectly suited for clearing snow in tight spaces. The Kubota SLV 75-2 provides the power and mobility, while the Skid Pro handles the snowblowing function. This helps optimize the utility of a single vehicle for various tasks. For a split second, I thought the truck was going to plunge downhill and roll over. But no, it turned out to be a masterful turnaround. No panic, no rush, just a few precise maneuvers and flawless coordination with the Unimog, and the challenge was handled. These 2 massive pressure vessels are on their way to the Terre-aux-Sommes plant. One stretches 53 meters and weighs 283 tons, while the other is 45 meters long and 184 tons. It's nothing short of a steel parade, heavy, powerful, and precise down to the very last meter of road. This isn't a road, it's a challenging mud pit. Yet the convoy bravely pushes forward, because in oversized transport, there's no room for hesitation, a truly commendable spirit. The Cat 994 operator has truly amazing skills. In just 3 scoops, he's able to completely fill the dump bed. That's really impressive. Thanks for watching our whole video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell, so you'll always be the first to join us with the next Steel Monsters.